help out to slums communities. We donation giveaways, the bags of rice and other items that we still continue on the journey as we find out, say, due to the economic crisis that the nation, there's a lot of dropouts of young individuals and out there. We don't just want to let them left out there due to financial issues. Slums don't embark on a new journey where we decide for giving education for all, scholarship, we therefore go for all the one them we don't sit them was scared, we don't make them up, but finance cause not for let them go to college. If you know say you get you was scared, you able make them up for going to college because of money, contact the number on the screen. There's a scholarship where they out there for you, where we cry from the slums, they help you and your family on how you for continue your education. Let money not stop your education. So you also we don't get beke, but for some reason, maybe na belle you been get you schooling, or maybe you sit beke, you never make them up, but you reach the age 18 to 39, you qualify for this scholarship where we give out there. So for let you know, sit on training for all, then drop training for all, then drop out them when they do anything out them, when they do anything absolutely. We get vocational training absolutely. We get vocational training where we link them into where you can do your dressing, tailoring, fashion designing, you get graphic designing, photo and video calls. That's for you. We want for go into the media, you want for train other training of your choice. Want na skill training. Above all, we encourage everybody for study computer, because young people out there, we don't offer free computer science and IT course. We would encourage all youths na salon be out there we don't get them was scary results. We didn't get them credits, then get them was scary results, get the scary results, you age 18 to 39, you qualify for this scholarship. We don't give, from January to this time, we don't give over 200 youth scholarship in different courses we don't want for study. And also, we don't embark on school sensitization for see how they help for eradicate drug abuse and the disease where they out there where they call monkeypox, where in a disease where they come on your skin just like chicken pox. If it come on your skin, it begin to pop like a chicken pox. It cause you forget shiver, cold, and if you never bear the pain, it kill you. And a lot of people say you get them through sweat. Someone say you get them through the aim behind this National Women's Summit, and for see how we as an organization, the National Women's Summit for Empower Women, we also get National Youth Summit where we therefore embark on how we will educate the youth man them on the time we're into now and how they will prepare themselves for the future. And also the picking them, we therefore get National Children Summit. We will teach them on how they will approach the future. The summit therefore be 3-in-1 summit. We therefore get National Women's Summit, where we therefore embark on women empowerment, and we also therefore get National Youth Summit, and finally, we don't forget National Children's Summit. These are summits where we want to do for see how they help educate with people in this nation and how
scholarship not go to waste. Me advice where are the give today out there, especially to the young ladies, the opportunity again. Not to say where you don't born, you don't lose opportunity. You still get opportunity for rise again, for be who that you want be. That if you get the determination, if you think say yes, you go able now and apply to cry from the slum, because then they look for people them right now where they help for free. Then they give out education, learn you and teach you through. So if you're interested, you can go on Facebook, also TikTok, and chat for Cry from the Slum. You can meet them platform day and reach out to them so that you go better your life, better the country, and better other people where they're close to you.
Cry from the slums.
Okay, good afternoon, everybody. Me where they talk to Nana Rebecca Conte from everybody. Me where they talk to Nana Rebecca Conte from Canigo community. First of all, I want to tell Papa God thank you, because for let we reach to this level, so but we like me at Napso, I don't see to us past 3 times. The last one we like me at Napso, I don't see to us past 3 times. The last one we make a discourage. And can't enroll.